before you start your barbecue, you want to do something. You want to clean your grill, right? So we use Citrusafe. I hope you do too if you want a nice clean grill. And all you do is you spray it on just like that. Oh man, it smells good, like an orange Julius, right? And then all you have to do is scrape it down. You can get this from Citrusafe as well. We got this scrub pad. It's nice. No steel. Do you have to worry about, right? Shredded steel, just like this, perfect right there. And it comes with a couple extra scrub brushes, right? So we put the Citrusafe on, and we just like that. Then all you have to do is wipe it down with a damp cloth or a rag or even paper towel like that. Remember, Citrusafe, BBQ Pit Boys approved. You got to check this out.